Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
One more table I used to give because already I given one table. It is there, but in that one I didn't write this part actually. Number of lone pair of electrons means which hybridization it has. Number of bond pair is written. Okay, molecule, type of molecule. So here one small change, my dear students. Please note this. Type of molecule, total number of electrons, number of bond pair, number of lone pair. Type of molecule, this type of molecule, number of pair of, number of, total number of electron pair, bond pairs, lone pairs, hybridization. This box is geometry. This is actually different one. Over. Okay. My dear students, in first box it is given type of molecule. AB2 type means it is just A is central atom, B is attached atom. Understood? If any atom, for example, beryllium fluoride, beryllium is central atom, F is considered as a B, beryllium is considered as a. One which is at the center is considered as A. Okay, that I wrote here. A is central atom, B is attached atom, L is lone pair of electron. Lone pair electron. This one. Lone pair electrons. Okay, my dear students, in this one you can see this one. Type AB2 type. AB2 type in this one, total number of electron pair is 2. Okay, bond pair is 2 in that one. Total number of electron pair is 2. In that one, bond pair is 2. That means, for example, BE, F, this is 2 bond pair. There is no lone pair of electron. The hybridization is sp and the geometry of the molecule is linear. Example is beryllium fluoride. Next, AB3 type. AB3 type example is given. AB3 type. AB3 type means central atom is A, 3 is attached, B, like this. Okay, 3 bond, total number of electron pairs is 3. It is only bond pair, there is no lone pair. Understood? 3 bond pair. sp2 hybridization, trigonal planar, BF3, Al3, these are the example for this particular. Understood, my dear students? Okay. Next is AB2L type. That means one lone pair of electron is present in this particular. Understood? Lone pair of electron is present. So AB2L type means A is central atom, 2B is attached like this, one lone pair of electron also present like this. Understood? That means total 3 electron pairs, 2 bond pair, 1 lone pair, total 3 electron pairs. Out of 3, 2 bond pair, 1 lone pair, sp2 hybridization, V shape. Example is tin chloride, stannous chloride, and this one lead plumbous chloride. Okay, plumbous and tin stannous. Okay. Okay, my dear students, next is example is AB4 type. AB4 means there is no lone pair. A, B, 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 B. This is actually AB4 type. That means 4 bond pair of electron is there. That even bond pair only. There is no lone pair electron. sp3 hybridization tetrahedral. Example is methane, silicon tetrafluoride, ammonium, carbon tetrachloride. Example. Okay. Next is, my dear students, AB3L type. That means A and 3B, B means 3 bond pairs and one lone pair. L means lone pair. It is like this. Okay. Here it is. If the shape of the molecule is like this, means it is actually AB3L. 4 pair of electron is there. 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. Total 4. Out of 4, 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. sp3 hybridization, trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal shape actually. Understood? Not trigonal bipyramidal. This one. Sorry. AB3L type. No. Lone pair, sp3, trigonal pyramidal shape, trigonal pyramidal, NH3 example ammonia, and PX3, X means halogen, it may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Please write down this box, my dear students, it is very important. I will put a line here. Okay. Next is AB3L also, that is over. Okay, 1 minute. Next is actually AB2L2 type. AB2 means 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair. AB2L2 type. V shape it is actually. V shape means this is A and one B here, one B here. Then this lone pair like this. This is actually V shape, not Mickey Mouse. Okay. A central atom. AB2 L type, L2 type. Understood? sp3 hybridization, V shaped, water, oxyfluoride, these are the example. Amines are example. Note down, my dear students. Next is, my dear students, AB5 type. AB5 type means A and 5 bonded atoms are there, 5 bonded. Trigonal bipyramidal shape actually, trigonal bipyramidal shape, B, 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 B. It looks like a trigonal bipyramidal, like this. Look at this. AB5 type. There is no lone pair of electron. Hybridization is sp3d2, pf5, pcl5. These are the examples. Shape is like this. Okay. Shall I rub this? Next is AB4L type. AB4L type. AB4L type means A seesaw shape actually. Seesaw shape. A here one lone pair we can place. This is actually shape. Seesaw shape. Next is, my dear students, AB3L2 type. 2 lone pair, 3 bond pair, T shaped, my dear students. A 2 lone pair, AB3. This is actually T shape. T shape, my dear students. AB3L2 type. Okay. Xenon oxyfluoride, XeOF2, xenon oxyfluoride. Okay. This is the shape actually. That is what I love with the shape of U. Correct? No? Love with the shape of U. For this one, you are saying this one. This is T shape. Lone pair is located away from this bond pair. Understood? Whenever you are giving lone pair, it should be placed away. You should write structure like this only, according to your wish. Say, sir, I will put lone pair here. No. According to your wish, you are not putting lone pair somewhere. Should away from each other. Understood? Next is AB2L3 type. AB2L3 type. sp3d hybridization. I3 minus, I will give you example, I3 minus, this one, I3 minus, this is actually very important, AB3L2 type, I at the central, here one I and two lone pair of electron, I3 minus is linear in shape. This is actually linear. We are not considering by telling the geometry, means you are just saying bonded electron part only. At that time this linear in one line. Two lone pair are located away from each other. Note down all the examples I am writing, all the things. Next is AB6. AB6 means 6 attached. Octahedral shape. SF6 is example, that is over, that I explained. AB5 L type, that means square pyramidal. AB5 A square pyramidal shape actually, my dear students. IF5, ClF5, xenon oxyfluoride, tetrafluoride, and all their sp3d2 hybridization. My dear students, please note down this one. Okay. Next AB4L2 type. AB4L2 type. A central atom, 4 B, this is shape actually, this is actually square planar SF4. See, while considering geometry, we are just considering only that bonded electrons, mainly bonded electrons, understood? Bonded electron in square planar, so it is a square planar geometry. Next, my dear students, last one AB7, here I wrote AB7, 7 pair of electron, 7 bond pair of electron, there is no lone pair, pentagonal bipyramidal, my dear students, AB7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, one B here, another B here, another B here, another B here, another B here, pentagonal, bipyramidal. Okay. can avoid this one, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, structure and all not important, just like this it comes actually, pentagonal, bipyramidal. Note down my dear students, all this very important.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.